Hello, students, and welcome back to bankexamstudy.com. And today, I'm providing the fourth part in the Union Budget, and this is the last session in the Union Budget quiz series. Till now, I have provided 30 questions, and today I'm going to provide 15 more questions. And trust me, this is the best way to learn the Union Budget for your exam. Trust me, this is the best way. Go through these 45 questions and I guess you are done, right? No need to do anything else. These 45 questions are more than enough. The team has done really amazing job to compile the questions, right? So as per the Union Budget 2021, National Infrastructure Pipeline has been expanded to how many projects? Has been expanded to how many projects? National Infrastructure Pipeline has been expanded to 7,400 projects, and around 217 projects worth 1.1 lakh crore has been completed, right? So this is about National Infrastructure Pipeline. 7,400 projects has been completed. 7,400 projects. So A is the correct answer. Okay. I guess we should move forward to the question number 2. As per the Union Budget 2021, what is the outlay for the Ministry of Road Transport and Highways? इसका outlay कितना है? What is the outlay for Ministry of Road Transport? What is the outlay for the Ministry of Road Transport and the Highways? इसका outlay कितना है? So the outlay is, I guess, A is the correct answer. 1,18,000, 101 lakh crores. So A is the correct answer. Yep, A is the correct answer. Please remember the numbers. Numbers are important here in your RBI grade B exam, in your SEBI grade A level exams, in your GPO level exams. This is going to be asked, right? ये पूछा जाता है, बहुत common है. How much is the outlay? This is not UPSC. In UPSC, it won't be asked, right? In UPSC, economic survey is more important. Okay? So please remember, as per Union Budget, estimated capital expenditure for railways. The railway budget used to be separate, right? But now it is combined with the Union Budget. What is the capital expenditure for railways? So railway ka total capital expenditure is 1,10,000 and 55 crores. Please remember this number as well, out of which 1,07,100 is for capital expenditure, right? So this is for capital, and total expenditure is 1,10,055 crores जो है, that is expenditure. As per Union Budget, National Rail Plan to create future ready railway system by which year? 2030, 2022, 2025. It's by 2030. I don't know why the government's, right, which is there for like 5 years, why it is making 10-year 12-year plans. Like क्यों भाई? I mean, why you are making such a long plan? Whatever you can do within next 3-4 years, जब तक आपकी government है, make plans for that period of time. Now, how can be you so sure about your success in the next elections? You can't be so sure. Make plans for 5 years. That's according to me. Even the outlay for major schemes, जो वो 5 साल का दिया हुआ, 10 साल का दिया हुआ, which is not correct according to me. So as per Union Budget 2021, the SWAMITVA scheme. See, students, in the states like Punjab and Haryana, right? The Hadbandi, right? Or the fencing of land, the wired fencing of your land is there because the land is expensive. But what about the states of Uttar Pradesh, the Western UP, and the state of Bihar, Odisha? It is not that clear, right? So that is why these farmers are not able to take the credit facilities from the bank. That is why Swamitva scheme is there. The government is providing the scheme with the help of drones. A property validation solution is there. A property validation security is there. This thing is going to benefit the states in the state, would benefit the farmers from the states of Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Bihar, Odisha. So that's the purpose of it. A is a correct answer. The nodal agency is Ministry of Panchayati Raj is the nodal ministry. So as per the Union Budget 2021, what is the budgetary allocation for agricultural credit? The budgetary credit for agriculture credit, इसका कितना allocation है? For the agriculture credit, budgetary allocation for agriculture credit is 16.5 lakh crore for Focus area would be animal husbandry, dairies, sciences, and the fisheries. So target. This is the target, not exactly the numbers that already have been achieved, right? Allocation bhi nahi hai exactly. This is target. Most probably this target won't be achieved. So as per the Union Budget 2021, the budgetary allocation for micro irrigation fund. Budgetary allocation for micro irrigation fund is 10,000 crore. 10,000 crore for the micro irrigation fund. Please remember that. And as per the Union Budget 2021, the budgetary allocation for rural infrastructure development fund. Rural infrastructure development fund का कितना allocation है? Rural infrastructure development fund का कितना allocation है? That's important. Rural, the correct answer is A, 30,000 crore. So 30,000 crore is the enhanced to 40,000 crore. It used to be 30,000 crore, but now it's 40,000 crore. Okay. So as per the Union Budget, 2021, the implementation of NEP components, National Education Policy, how many schools will be strengthened? Let me tell you, not very important questions, but okay, 15,000 schools to be, strengthened, not very important. As per Union Budget 2021, age limit for senior citizens to be exempted from the tax returns. The citizens whose age is more than 75 years, they don't need to, file their income tax returns. The bank will deduct the taxes automatically themselves. So the citizens, they are exempted from filing the income tax return. 80 की एज में 75 की एज में I mean कहाँ मुश्किल हो जाता है, right? As per Union Budget, how much net borrowing for states is allowed for the year 2021-2022 on the recommendation of 15th Finance Commission? कितना जो borrowing है allowed है? It is a 4% of GSDP for the state's GDP. 4% of the state's GSDP is allowed as per the 15th Finance Commission. Additional borrowing ceiling of 0.5% of GSDP will be provided subject to the condition. Okay? It's 4%. As per the Union Budget 2021, the time limit for reopening cases in direct taxation cases, this limit was 6 years. 6 साल पुराना केस भी ओपन कर सकते थे, लेकिन अब नहीं है. Now it is 3 years. So this limit was used to be 6 years. There was tax terrorism, right? Tax terrorism था. The people were, I mean, last 2-3 years, everybody was getting a lot of taxation cases, a lot. A lot of people were getting income tax cases. Like, ask anybody whose return is more than 10 lakhs. He was getting income tax return, income tax case, assessment case was there, right? Because it was automatic, right? The system was generating the cases itself. So there was a terror among, among that. All the businesses were afraid of the income tax department, right? So that is why the limit, I mean, it's very actually difficult. If you ask me that you received 2 lakh rupees 5 years back, it would be very difficult for me to recollect what I did 5 years back or what I did 6 years back. If it is a bigger case, right, I guess the 50 lakhs is the limit, then it can be open for even for 10 years. But now, I mean, 3 years is the limit, right? To reopen the case, there is a condition, I guess, यहाँ पे लिखी नहीं है. As per you, what is our limit for the turnover for the tax audit? A very good initiative. If 95% of your transactions are digital, 95% of your transactions are digital, your tax audit limit is 10 crores. The tax audit करवाने की जरूरत नहीं है. If your 95% of your transactions are digital, you don't need to get your tax audit, right? Not required. Okay. As per the Union Budget 2021, there is a new section 80 EEA. If you are a home buyer, right? If you're buying your home for the very first time, you are going to get an additional 1.5 lakh deduction on the interest paid on the housing loan, right? But the value of house should be less than 45 lakhs. The value of house should be less than 45 lakhs. And the additional deduction of 1.5 lakh, ATC wali alag hai. ATC deduction is separate. The ATC deduction that you're getting, it is separate on life insurance or, your ELSS, that is different. But ATEE A, if you're buying a house, the interest paid, it is tax exempted, right? It is tax exempted. So 45 lakhs should be the value of house, right? The stamp duty value. So that is to be noted, stamp duty value. Most of the times, what I have noticed, the value of house, the market value of houses, let's say 1 crore rupee, most of the people, they are going to pay the stamp value of maximum 30 lakhs, 25, 30 lakhs. That is what I have noticed around me, right? The 25 lakhs, 20 lakhs, that is a norm. I know it is illegal, but that's a norm. So most of the house owners, even in metros, they are going to get benefit out of this scheme. So very good scheme. Okay. And this tax holiday is valid till March 2022, till valid till next year. So very good option. As per the Union Budget 2021, the exemption limit for the annual receipts for the small charitable trust running schools and hospitals, अगर annual receipt is less than 1 crore, the exemption limit revised from 1 crore to 5 crores. If that answer is not A, it is B. The correct answer is B. So if the receipt is 5 crore, then they are exempted. Okay, then they are exempted. So that's, I guess, all for today, students. RBI Grade B 2021 crash course. This session is part of RBI Grade B 2021 course. So video classes, it's relevant for GBO, it's relevant for SEBI Grade A, all the related exams. So video, you're going to get video classes, notes, test series. You're going to get analysis of RBI circulars, Union Budget, Economic Survey, PIBs, complete coverage of both the phases. You can call or WhatsApp. Link to join is available in the description. Please check list of students who cracked RBI Grade B, GBO Scale 2, Bank of India, Bank of Maharashtra, RBI Grade B 2018, Bank of Baroda, SO Marketing, SEBI Grade A, NABARD Grade A. All these students, they took our courses and they cracked their respective exams. Go to bankexamstoday.com and join the course yourself. Take this is a demo. If you like the demo, you'll love the